This application is a three-tiered web app, the database on the back end, a Java J2E middleware layer, and some static content as a web front end. I'm running in two different environments, a system integration test environment and user acceptance. Those show up over here where I've got the integration test environment on the left, user acceptance on the right. Now, if we look at what's going on here in the application, we have this idea of inventory. I can see which version of each component is in each environment. Now, what we see here is what is supposed to be out there. Whenever we do a deployment, that inventory updates immediately. Over on the right, we have this notion of compliancy. That's counting up the number of targets in the environment that are associated with each component and telling us how many of them we've successfully deployed that version to. So it's all green here and says 1 of 1. So we got one server for each component and they all have the right version. Now, what do we mean when we say 1.0, right? So let me click in here and we can see that any given version will have some files associated with it. It might be just one file, it might be a lot of files in some sort of directory structure, but each version has a definitive set of versioned files. Now, where do these things come from? Well, if we look at the web components configuration, we can see that there's various source types. Right now,